What is the value of the expression 8 squared minus 4 divided by 4 times 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question is actually very easy, but it tricks almost everyone. Let's dive in and break it down step by step together. To solve this problem, many people start by calculating 8 squared first. And instead of the original expression, they write it as 64 minus 4 divided by 4 times 2. In the next step, they usually perform the subtraction between 64 and 4, and simplifying the expression to 60 divided by 4 times 2. Then, they proceed by doing the division between 60 and 4, which gives them 15 times 2. And finally, they multiply 15 by 2, which ends up with the answer 30. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option B is the correct answer to this question. But that's definitely wrong. Also, some people to solve this problem first go for the expression 8 squared, and they simplify it to 64 minus 4 divided by 4 times 2. In the next step, they usually go for the multiplication between 4 and 2, because they think multiplication has priority over division. So, they rewrite this expression as 64 minus 4 divided by 8. In the next step, they perform the division between 4 and 8, since they believe division has priority over subtraction, and rewrite this expression as 64 minus 0.5, which ultimately gives them the answer 63.5. And immediately, they conclude that option D is the correct answer to this question. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Now let me show you step by step how to solve this expression. To solve this problem, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. It means that we need to perform all the operations in order from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see in the image, in this expression, we have an exponent first, then a subtraction, followed by a division, and finally a multiplication. We should start with the exponent first, because in this expression, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, this expression simplifies to 64 minus 4 divided by 4 times 2. In the next step, we need to handle the division and multiplication, since multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. However, it's very important to note that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this situation, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move toward the right, performing division and multiplication in order. So, first we perform the division between the 4's, and this expression simplifies to 64 minus 1 times 2. Alright, it's time to do the multiplication between 1 and 2, which gives us 64 minus 2. And finally, the value of this expression is equal to 62. Therefore, option C is the correct answer to this question.